What's up, YouTube? So today we're going to be doing some maintenance on the T-Rex. We're going to be doing the oil change today. And that thing takes some Cowie oil because she's an RR. You get the filter. And I'll show you how it's done on this. This is the 22 model. I'm pretty sure most of them are all the same. So, let's see here. So you're on the driver's side, or the left side, and there's the nut, and the filter is right there too. So we're gonna have to take off this luggage bag, and you fill it right there. There's the fill for it, just like a ZX14. So let's get to it. One thing I did forget to mention previously is you want to start it up. Let it warm up so it's easier for the engine oil to come out. Give it about 5 minutes, and then we're going to need a 17 wrench and an oil filter wrench. So I had to jack it up a little bit, take the bag off obviously. Got the 17 mil here cracked. And then once all that's done draining, we'll pull the filter. So whoever tightened this filter before is not right in the head, because I had to use channel locks to get it off. Crazy. Shouldn't be on that tight, boys and gals. Just put the new filter on. As soon as it touches, just a quarter turn, maybe half a turn. But don't try to kill it and then fight with it. Channel locks, try to get it off. Still letting the oil drain. Yeah, we can put some fresh oil in there. Alright, so we had to take out this side saddlebag, open the cap. We're going to fill it up. The sight glass is right there. So let's get that going. We filled it up, start it up, and see where the oil sits afterwards. seatbelt light. If anybody knows how to turn that off, very annoying. If you don't have your seatbelt on, that thing just goes off. So if you know, leave it down in the comments so I can turn that shit off.
I'm like a sponge. I remember Tyson telling me it's a party. My first time meeting Mike Tyson, everybody's in it. Serena, Venus. I'm like this. I'm from the hood. Like, oh, I can't believe I'm in this.
Yeah, we're just gonna wait a little bit and let the oil come back down and see how she sits. But that's pretty much how you do an oil change on a 2022 Campagna Trex. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because a lot more content with this baby's coming. Peace.